Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read from the title, today's video is going to be on how to make yourself a strawberry shake at home. Now there are only 3 to 4 ingredients that you'll need to make this shake, and the first thing of course you're going to need is strawberries. I would say about 1 cup of strawberries. Add 1 cup of milk. Once you've added the milk, this is how it looks like, and once I think there's enough milk inside the blender, I am going to blend this up. Once it's been nicely blended, I've actually basically blended for about 2 minutes, and honestly it looks good. And the next step is of course to add sugar. If it's up to you if you want to add sugar, but I won't be adding any sugar. I'm gonna stick with adding some strawberry ice cream. So I would say probably I'm gonna end up putting 5 scoops of strawberry ice cream. This is the second scoop. Once I've ended up adding in the ice cream scoops, next of course I'm going to add a little bit more milk, and I'm just going to end off blending that. This is how it looks like, you guys, and I'm just going to pour it inside a glass. I was going to garnish it a little bit by adding some strawberries, but I basically used up all my strawberries and I have no strawberries, so I'm just going to end up putting an ice cream scoop on the top to finish it up. And there you go, you guys, your very own homemade strawberry shake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. Also, if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys next time.